You look at your computer screen, you log into your eToro account, and you click that withdrawal button because you need your money. Maybe you are officially retired, maybe you are just months away, but you need that cash for your real life. And suddenly, the screen says no. Or it only lets you take out a tiny fraction of what you thought was yours. Your stomach drops. Panic sets in. And the immediate fear, the one that keeps you up at night, starts screaming in your ear, is my money gone? Have I been scammed? Am I locked out of my own retirement nest egg? Listen to me. Take a deep breath. Your money is not gone. But you are facing a roadblock, and we are going to fix it right now. You need to understand exactly why this is happening, because when it comes to your retirement, ignorance is not bliss, ignorance is financial danger. There are 3 very specific, very common reasons why eToro is holding onto your cash, and none of them mean the company has stolen your money. It means you have run into the strict wall of financial regulations. The first, and most common, reason you can't withdraw your money is that your funds are invested, not available. You look at your total portfolio value and you see, let's say, $10,000. You assume you can withdraw $10,000. You cannot. eToro splits your money into 2 categories, your total portfolio value and your available cash. If your money is tied up in stocks, ETFs, or crypto, or if you are using their copy trader feature to mirror someone else's portfolio, that money is legally locked in those active investments. eToro cannot send you cash that is currently buying a stock. To get that money, you have to manually close those investment positions first. Only when the trade is settled and the cash is sitting in your available balance can it leave the platform. The second reason is a major trap for people who are preparing to retire. Your account is not fully verified. You might think, wait a minute, Susie, they took my money when I deposited it. Why do they care now? They care now because of strict international banking laws called KYC, Know Your Customer, and anti-money laundering regulations. Financial platforms are legally required to verify exactly who you are before they let money leave the ecosystem. If your driver's license expired last month, if you moved to a new retirement condo and your address doesn't match your bank statement, or if they recently sent you an email asking for an updated tax document and you ignored it, your account gets restricted. They will freeze your withdrawals instantly to protect the system and, ironically, to protect you from identity theft. The third roadblock is the source of funds rule. eToro operates on a strict reflex policy. If you deposited money using a specific credit card, debit card, or bank account, they are legally required to send the withdrawal back to that exact same payment method first. If that old credit card expired, or if you closed that specific bank account because you are consolidating your finances for retirement, the withdrawal will fail. You cannot just clear out an account and send it to a brand new bank account without verifying ownership of the new account first. So, what is the question you need to ask yourself right now? The question isn't, why is eToro doing this to me? The question you must ask is, have I treated my digital investment accounts with the same organizational respect as my traditional bank accounts? Many people treat apps like eToro casually, but this is your retirement capital. Here is your exact, no-nonsense, actionable takeaway to get your money out of eToro and into your hands. Step 1. Log into your account and look at your dashboard. Find the number labeled Available to Withdraw. If that number is lower than what you want to take out, go to your portfolio, look at your open positions, and decide what you need to sell. You must liquidate the investments to turn them into withdrawable cash. Step 2. Check your verification status immediately. Click on your settings, go to your profile, and look at the verification center. If there is a little red flag, or a request for a utility bill or ID, do not wait. Upload a perfectly clear, uncropped photo of your current, valid documents today. Step 3. Check your payment methods. If the bank account you used to fund eToro 3 years ago is dead and gone, do not submit a withdrawal request yet. Open a customer service ticket first, state clearly that your original funding source is closed, and provide your new bank statement showing your name and account number to link it properly. Do not let fear paralyze you. And do not let messy paperwork stand between you and your hard-earned retirement security. Clean up your account, clear your positions, verify your identity, and take control of your cash. You can do this.